Hello, everyone. My name is Veronica Ferris, and I am thrilled to announce my all-inclusive membership program, which entails 3 levels. Whether you're just starting your journey or you're a dedicated follower, I have something for you. Now, I know you're going to see me looking up, but I got my notes. I need my notes. First up, we have the Star Member. Now, the Star Member level, you'll get access to members-only live chats, priority replies to your comments, and early access to exclusive videos. It's the perfect way to stay connected and get more out of every piece of content. Now, level 2, that's the Super Member program. Now, if you're ready to take it to the next level, then you want to become a super member and enjoy all the perks of being a Star Member, plus member-only polls, exclusive shorts, and personalized shout-outs. Now, this membership is designed for those who want to be at the heart of the action and have their voices heard. My favorite one is the VIP member. That's the 3rd level. And for those of you guys that's real excited and want to take it to the ultimate level and have the ultimate experience, then the VIP member is for you. This is where you get it all. Every perk from the previous levels, plus exclusive connections on social media and access to the members only live stream. That's where we can really get connected. This level is all about a deeper engagement and building personal connections with me and our community. Now, no matter what level you choose, joining my membership program means becoming a part of a close-knit community where we support each other and grow together. Each level is packed with unique perks designed to enhance your experience and bring you closer to the content and connections that matter the most. So, are you ready? Are you ready to take your journey to the next level? Which I know you are. Choose the memberships that are right for you, and let's start this incredible journey together. I can't wait to see you in the members only area. Thank you so much for your support. Together, we're building something very special. See you in the members only section.